Hey kids, it's Ippy the iPad, and today my friends and I are going to be telling you a story about how to be safe online.
Hello children, today we're going to be telling you a story on how to be safe online. The three main characters are in second grade, and they are Bella, Haley, and Alex. Enjoy!
Hey Haley, wanna go on drawing pad? Yeah, sure Bella, let's go! You guys are such babies, you're going on drawing pad? Huh, you should go look something up on the internet, it's so much fun. But my mom said that I'm not allowed to. Oh, come on, she's not here. I mean, what could happen? Let's go. What should we look up? I know this really cool website that we can go on, and that has plenty of games for us to play. What's it called? It's called Fun Games for Everyone. Ooh, look, this link said we won something. Let's click on it. Alex, what did you do? It's a virus. I thought we were going to win a phone or something. I didn't know that was going to happen. But anyway, sorry for messing up your iPad, but it's not my problem. Wait, come back. We need your help.
Now children, that brings us to the end of our story. Bella never got her iPad fixed because the virus never left the iPad. And this reminds us to be safe online and not click on anything if you don't know what it is, because that could ruin our iPad just like Bella's. And if you would like to click on something, make sure you ask for a parent's permission so you could get their advice on what's okay. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed it.